30 years old living with your parents? Absolutely. They needed my help financially, so I moved back in. The only true battle I have here is cleanliness, not having enough help. It's definitely mentally and physically overwhelming to be the only one who cares about the cleanliness of the overall house. However, I do love them. So instead of belittling them, I'm just trying to educate them on why it's important and how it's negatively impacting their mental health. And it's working because I don't have help in these community areas, but they are keeping their rooms clean. So proud. I have a lot on my plate, so I fall behind in areas sometimes, but with this checklist I've developed so far, I've been like rocking it these past few weeks. Like and follow for more. Deuces.
Do you know the best day of the week to clean out your refrigerator? It's trash day. Whatever day your trash is coming, try to schedule your fridge clean out for that day. This way, any food you have to throw away will be taken away as soon as possible and not be stinking up your cans. The only supplies you have to clean out your fridge are some dish soap, hot water, bar mop cloths, and of course the Rubbermaid Reveal. While the inside of the fridge should be cleaned more frequently, the outside only needs to be pulled out and cleaned about every 3 to 4 months. Make sure to get all the dust that's built up behind and underneath the fridge so it can breathe properly.
Some pans, just add a lemon, baking soda, and vinegar, bring it to boil, and everything should come right off. Wooden cutting board stains, add salt and scrub it with a half a lemon. Plastic cutting boards, baking soda, vinegar, and scrub with a lemon. When you measure out honey, syrup, or any other sticky stuff, don't do this. Spray with cooking spray first, and everything comes right off. Same thing when you grate cheese. The cheese doesn't get stuck in the grater. Descaling a kettle, just add vinegar, bring it to boil, let it sit for 1 hour, and boom, brand new. Oven grease. Mix baking soda and vinegar until you have a paste. Use a sponge to apply this mixture on the grease. Add 1 cup of vinegar in the bowl. Hi, Bella. Put it inside the oven, put the oven on low heat for 1 hour, and goodbye to the grease. For clogged drains, just sprinkle some baking soda, add vinegar, let it sit for 5 minutes, and add hot water. Boom! Add vinegar in the bowl, a half a lemon, microwave it for 1 minute, open it up, and wipe it clean.
Kitchen with me after a 2-hour cooking session.
We are halfway through our monthly cleaning schedule.